Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
All right, here we go. We have 2 pasture-raised eggs, a little butter. That's some grated cheese, olives, black and green, olive oil. One of the big stars of the show, this is a partially nuked baked potato and garlic. Mike Foster here, how you guys doing? It's a scramble. Haven't had a scramble in a while. So potato, olive, and cheese scramble. I'm gonna put this baby together. It's gonna be fast, simple, delicious, and I can't wait to try it. Check it out. Meet you at the stove. Okay, I lied. No, meet you at the stove. We're gonna get the potato and the garlic prepped. Okay, this is how you do it. You cube it like this. Probably do 4 right here. And let's do the rest like this. Okay, let's get that done. A couple more like that. Okay. Now we're just gonna chunk this garlic, kind of like this. I like to give it a little smash too. Bring out the flavors and just chunk it like this. Now I'll meet you at the stove. All right, let's start off with a little butter. Get that going. A little olive oil. We're gonna start by sauteing some of this garlic down. All right, let's just get this going. This will be a couple minutes. While that's happening, remember it's a scramble, so you're just gonna bust these egg yolks. Just a little. You don't have to go crazy on them, not like for an omelet. Those babies are ready. Right now, I'm gonna add some of these olives. You just bust them with your fingers like this. Oh, the oil is receptive. Bust them up. It's getting a little dark. The oil's getting a little dark because of the garlic. So we're lowering that just a little. Okay, there's your olives. That's that. Now we're taking those potatoes and just popping those babies in. This is hearty. All right, let's mix that up. All these flavors are gonna come together. The garlic's gonna be amazing. So you wanna just put a little salt in there and then some pepper. Give it some good pepper. Ain't nothing wrong with pepper, ladies and gentlemen. There you go. You wanna make sure everything gets warm. These potatoes, they're preheated, so nothing really needs to be cooked through, just warmed up. Looks like we need a little more olive oil. You saw how much I put, it was all absorbed. Let's drop the eggs in. Now you just mix it as a scramble, like that. Mix it around. Gradually start adding the cheese. Oh yeah, do that at the end. And we're almost at the end, folks. Flip it. Mix it around. Oh yeah. I don't like bragging a lot, but this is perfect. Make sure the eggs are cooked through. Try another 30 seconds, this baby's done. Plate this up, I'll meet you at the counter. Get a close-up, then a big bite. That's it. There's your close-up. You know what's in it, now it's gonna be in me. Big bite coming up. There it is, potato, olives, cheese scramble. Nice and hot. Dig in, Mike. Okay, gonna get a little of everything. Oh, I think this bite does. Oh, look at it. Is it hot? Here goes nothing. I taste that olive oil, I taste the garlic. The cheese is jumping through, those potatoes are creamy. So are those eggs. Need I say more? Killer, diller, delicious. For more videos like this, check out Live Life 365 at YouTube. Subscribe, tell people about it till next time. Peace.
Live life 365.
Quack. classic. How's it taste? I'm not kidding. I'm eating at the stove. Nothing's burnt. Everybody relax. That's what she said. Oh, we should have. Yes. All right. Get this going. Gotta taste it, see if it's warm. That's pretty damn good. I'm not kidding about that one. This is a lot of food. Watch this. Hey, honey. It's ready. She's coming in. Baba.